One of my favorite old school sayings, if you want to hide information, put it in a book. So I don't believe in hiding information. I'll be the worst magician ever. I'm going to tell you everything that I read. Now we're going to start talking about AI a little bit. There's a whole AI wave going on. This is one of the best books I've ever read on AI, The Master Algorithm. So can't wait to tell you about it.
Keep the main thing.
So this book is a must read. I see a lot of people yapping about AI and machine learning and training this and training that, but they really don't have a clue what they're talking about. That's why you need to read up on this stuff. And so the master algorithm is amazing because we're seeing the rise of what people are calling agentic AI. And essentially what we're doing is we're putting together a bunch of agents and all that stuff. So basically what in this book, what he talks about is he actually walks through the history of machine learning. He talks about even like old ways to process information from a machine learning perspective. It's just a walk through history that is super important for everybody if you want to be working in this stuff. And one of the things I've mentioned before, the best way to understand these things is to just look at the past and do the research. And so with this book, I listen to a lot of stuff on Audible. If I like it on Audible, I'll buy the physical copy as well. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll buy it on Kindle and look at it on Audible at the same time, because you can actually get it to read it to you as well. So however you learn, you learn. So why this book is super important, because we're now in this AI boom. And I heard people like over promising a lot on what LLMs can do, or what this machine learning thing can do, or what this image creation can do, or what this music creation can do. But ultimately, what this book talks about is you have to have a lot of different models, right? You have to have a lot of algorithms to make this stuff all work. If you think of it like the human body, we have a lot of specialized parts that makes up our whole human. So check out the book again. And what's cool about this, the more you understand how these models work and how machine learning works, the more you can utilize these tools for your business. If you code, you can start coding and building using multiple different algorithms and multiple different models to build up entire solutions. So highly recommend it if you're trying to start a business. If you're talking about using LLM models or any kind of machine learning model, you need to start understanding what these are all about. And so check out that book. Here it is one more time. So get this book, add this to your collection ASAP. I would probably, like I said, I'm an Audible guy. When I'm walking or when I'm driving, I listen to books. So check it out. This is the book. This is the first book of the Hackish book club. Hope you enjoy. Leave a comment if you've read it, and let me know if you bought it. If you come back to this video and tell me what you think of it.
I'm looking in the mirror, what do I see? I see the only person alive that could stop me. I'ma push it to the limit with it, everything I got. I'm a rocket ship in motion, I'm headed to the top.